Street vendors are an important segment of the informal economy in cities. Street vending provides a source of self-employment which helps in elevating urban poverty. Street vending is prominent in the urban supply chain and provides inexpensive and convenient access to goods and services to all segments of the population, including the poor. Street vending is therefore an integral part of the economic growth process in urban areas. The Support to Urban Street Vendors Program, SUSV, of Telangana attempts to address the concerns of urban street vendors. SUSV facilitates access to suitable spaces for vending, institutional credit, improved skills, and social security linkages. Mission for Elimination of Poverty in Municipal Areas, MEPMA, the nodal agency for implementation of poverty elevation programs, facilitates the grassroots level implementation of NULM SUSV operational guidelines. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, the data of 80,000 street vendors was collected through manual survey in a web portal and was developed by Center for Good Governance, Hyderabad, from April 2014 to 2019 in 141 ULBs of Telangana state. Due to COVID-19 global pandemic, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Government of India has launched PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme on 2nd June 2020 for providing special credit to street vendors. This special credit is consequent to lockdowns which have adversely impacted the livelihoods of street vendors and to resume their business. The scheme is eligible to all the street vendors engaged in street vending activity in the urban areas of the Telangana state on or before March 24, 2020. In this background, MEPMA has decided to take up Telangana Pattana Pragati Urban Street Vendor Survey by using innovative e-governance solution, web and mobile application for capturing street vendors in Telangana afresh. The mobile app is developed within 7 days' time with all approvals and certifications and is user-friendly to enumerate the street vendors. The mobile application registers the street vendors, captures the real-time data, photographs the street vendor and business units and the place of business and generate street vendor identification card and vending certificate online. Reports on vending type, geographical area, etc. are generated for its analysis by MEPMA and other stakeholders. This innovative e-governance solution is designed and developed by Center for Good Governance, Hyderabad, which is pioneer in providing e-governance and m-governance solutions on latest technology platforms for the Government of India and various states in the country. The major benefit of using the innovative Telangana Pattana Pragati Urban Street Vendor Survey through mobile application is a force multiplier, as there is an approximate 600% increase in the registration of street vendors after 11th June 2020 in just 3 months' time. The registration through mobile application is quite speedy, convenient, error-free and efficient. Prior to COVID-19, there were 83,666 registered street vendors in the state, and now there are 6,01,035 registered street vendors in the Telangana state. Out of the total registered street vendors in Telangana state, approximately 4,55,789 loan applications were uploaded on the PM Swanidhi portal, and an approximate 3,51,991 loans worth Rs 355.99 crores were sanctioned to the street vendors directly to their bank accounts. Rest of the loans are in process of sanction. The entire process of special credit to the street vendors is carried through online web and mobile-based applications and is cashless, contactless and paperless as per Digital India guidelines. The Telangana state stood first in the country in terms of number of street vendors registered, loan applications processed, and loans sanctioned. However, in terms of the total number of urban population in the states, Telangana is much ahead in the country in terms of loan registration, application processing, and sanctions. This unique innovative e-governance solution in response to pandemic of COVID-19 has not only ensured the efficiency and transparency in the system, but has also restored the faith and trust of the poor street vendors in the Telangana government. As these street vendors fall under high-risk category, the data captured through this system helped the municipal administration and health authorities of state to mobilize and vaccinate all the street vendors in less than 10 days, thereby minimizing the risk of spreading COVID-19.
In Telangana, in all 142 urban local bodies, which includes 13 corporations and the remaining balance municipalities, the government of Telangana launched a Pattan Pragati program, which is to address all urban issues and also take up development in a holistic approach. Under this, street vendors development is one of the important intervention taken up under this program. And during that time, Center for Good Governance actually provided us important two tools. One is web-based and also mobile app-based for enumeration and registration of the street vendors, which helped us to enumerate all the street vendors in all 142 municipalities. Thereby, actually it increased from 83 street vendors to today 6 lakh street vendors. That is 600% increase. With the launch of PM Swanidhi, this program is further enhanced with accessing credit or providing the credit to the street vendors from the formal financial institutions like banks. So far under this street vendors program, under PM Swanidhi and also Pattan Pragati program, we could give the loan to about 3,32,000, which is about 332 crores. With this, the Telangana ranks first in the country among all the states with regard to implementation of PM Swanidhi and the development of the street vendors in accordance with the provisions of Street Vendors Act 2014 and the rules made thereunder in Telangana state. Not only that, many cities the rank top in the country in implementation of street vendors. So the e-governance tools provided by the Center for Good Governance actually helped us a lot to enumerate, register and issue of identity cards and vending certificates and accessing, that is providing the credit or the loan to the street vendors, especially during the Corona pandemic period. It became handy and helped the poor in effectively addressing the one of the important poverty alleviation strategies.